like the lights are on, but the headlights are not.
So like if they were coming.
Wow.
Like,
They still won't turn them on.
you can see 'em.
It's freaking 9:30. I'm seriously gonna upload this to my channel. It's getting too bright because the cars. Right there.